Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to make a dropper, that is a medical dropper can be made in SolidWorks. So let's begin. Just click here, select part and OK. Now from here go to sketch and click on sketch and from here select front plane. Okay, now select line and draw vertical line. Okay, now select 3-point arc. Now draw 3-point arc from the top point. Now select line and from this point draw a line. And now join these two. Okay. Now again select 3-point arc. Now from this point draw 3-point arc. Now select this one and delete. Now again select 3-point arc. So from this point draw a 3-point arc. From this point draw a 3-point arc. Now select this line, press on Ctrl and select this line and click on tangent. Okay. Now go to smart dimension and take this dimension just 100. Enter. Okay, now go to features and click on revolve boss or base and select axis of revolution and select the midline. Okay. Now select this portion. Now click on shell and make it 0.2 millimeter. And make shell outward. Okay. Now our dropper is almost ready. Now we need to apply the material. Okay, so the mouth is more open, we can make it thicker actually. So we can edit the sketch. Just make it smaller. Go to smart dimension and take this dimension. There is 3.41, make it 2. Okay. It looks better. Now let's apply the material. So click on material and go to appearance, select rubber, and there are 3 types of rubber. I'm selecting gloss and just apply this one. Click here. Now let's apply the color. So just click here and I'm selecting the white one. Okay. Now change the background, just click here. Yes, now I'm selecting the rooftop. Now this is our dropper, and from here I'm selecting perspective view. Okay, so our dropper is ready. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos, and if you have any question, ask in the comment box. Thank you.